Hare Krishna. This is On the Way to Hell part 3 video. In part 2 video I have told like the sinners have undergone lots of tortures, they were beaten on the way, they were abused on the way, and then they visited lots of cities on the way, and the last city they reached was Bahubiti. So beyond the city of Bahubiti lies the great city of the King of Justice, that is Yamaloka. So the distance between Bahubiti and Narakaloka, the hell, is 44 yojanas. 1 yojana is 12 kilometers. So 528 kilometers. 44 multiplied by 12. 528 kilometers is the distance. So they have to cross this distance and then they reached Yamaloka. Now in part 3 video we are going to see they have reached Yamaloka. Then the doorkeeper of the Yamaloka is Dharmadwaja. He always stands there. So the doorkeeper, seeing them reaching this Yamaloka, will go and tell Chitragupta that the sinners are coming. And Chitragupta will go and tell it to Dharmaraja, that is Yamaraja. Yamaraja's another name is Dharmaraja. And now Yamaraja is all knowing. He already knew what they have done. Still he will ask Chitragupta. Chitragupta is secretary of Yamaraja. Chitragupta is only writing what we have done daily, how many ants we stamped it by mistake, or how many chickens we ate knowingly. So all these things, whatever sins we are committing knowingly and unknowingly, he will write each and everything. And now Chitragupta will in turn ask Shravanas. Shravanas are the sons of Brahman. This Shravanas knows the sins of the man, the secret sins committed by the man also Shravanas knows. Even though Chitragupta also knows about it, he will still ask Shravanas. And Shravana's wives are called Shravanis. This Shravanis knows the secrets of women, what mistakes they have done, what sins they have committed knowingly and unknowingly, and what sins they have done secretly. All this Shravanis knows. So we can't think like nobody knows, nobody is there in the house, so whatever we do no one will come to know. No. God is watching and he allocated his devotees to do certain task. Okay. So now what will happen? By hearing the sins committed by them in detail from Shravanas and Shravanis, Chitragupta will convey this message to Yamaraja. Now Yamaraja will get very angry and he will show his horrific form. He will be roaring. Yamaraja will be roaring like a cloud. At the time of Pralaya, it is said that Pralaya means at the time of annihilation, that is the destruction of the universe. What will happen is the clouds will roar in such a way that you have not heard about it in your lifetime. So like that, Yamaraja roars and then he will look like a mountain of lamp black. Lamp black is a charcoal powder, you can say, carbon substance. In factories you must have seen the smokes coming, right? In one black form smokes come. So that is called lamp black. So his appearance will look like a mountain of lamp black and he looks terrible with weapons which is shining like lightning. And he is having 32 hands and in each hand he is having some sharp weapons to punish these sinners. And his size is extending around 3 yojanas. 1 yojana is 12 kilometers. So 36 kilometers is the size of Yamaraja, and his two eyes will look like wells. Where you draw the water from the well, that well only I am talking about. So his eyes will look like a well, that big, because his body itself is so gigantic, so his eyes also are like wells. And the teeth in his mouth are like sharp, like how you will have it for lion and tiger, sharp tooth, no, like that it is. And his eyes are red in color and he is having a long nose. So by seeing this terrible form, even Chitragupta sometimes get very scared. So by seeing this, the sinners will be like trembling in fear. Their body will be shaking. That Sukshma Sarira, the subtle body. Atma gets a subtle body after death, so that whatever sins they have done in their lifetime, they need to be punished, right? For that, Lord gives them subtle body. Even the messengers are resembling like Yamaraja. They are also roaring. Then Yamaraja commands Chitragupta that send them to the relevant hell. There are so many departments in Narakaloka. So whatever sins they have committed, accordingly they will be sent to the appropriate hell. So Chitragupta is telling them, why are you crying? They are crying like, please leave me, please leave me. We have done it knowingly and also we have done it some unknowingly, please leave us. But if the karma is not washed away, then they have to again suffer. So Lord is giving the opportunity for the soul to wash out their karma. Only if they are punished, whatever sins they have committed will be washed away. So it is better to undergo the punishment rather escaping from that, because there is no escape from whatever sins we have committed. We should understand that Lord is not so cruel to us. Some may think, why Lord is so cruel? Why Lord has created this many departments in Narakaloka? Is he so cruel? No. Because you are committing that many levels of sins. Chitragupta is asking, what is the use of crying now? You should have thought before doing the sin, right? So he will be asking them and he will be insulting them. You will be insulted very badly in Narakaloka. Then the messengers, Prachanda and Chandaka and other messengers, they will take them. How they will be taken? They will be bound with just one noose. Please see that image, to know what is noose. On the way, till they go to the appropriate department of hell, they will be insulted and they will be thrashed continuously. So I am stopping here, and each and every department I will put it as a separate video. I am going to put a video about non-veg. If people are eating non-veg, what will be the punishment in Narakaloka? That I am going to put. I have already put a video about alcohol consumption. So if people are consuming alcohol just for fun or even if it is occasional, so what will be the punishment? I have already put the video. I have given the link also at the end of this video. Please check what's the punishment for alcohol consumption, and check my part 1 and part 2 videos if you have not seen, and please share it and help others. Hare Krishna.